thought it's one. Not me 1,000. I thought it's 1,000. Now 1,000. Don't be 1,000.
No 1,000.
You say some.
Where?
What's it?
Oh yeah, I'm okay.
Where? Amen. You know what I'm saying, France?
Yeah, I know.
C'est quoi le bas? Suki abi Suki le
Ṣé akúndùdù àbí èyí tó dùn? Tẹ bá fẹ́ mọ èyí tó dùn ẹ mọ ní kókì lélẹ̀.
Suki Coke.
Kókì lélẹ̀.
Suki.
Nítorí ẹ̀.
Lè tún
Kí ẹ̀rọ ẹni ọ̀pá gbogbo fún ẹni ọ̀fi fáwọn gbogbo lọ.
ẹ ṣe brother. Ṣe gbogbo ẹ. So, this tastes really nice. This is the Coke of Benin Republic called Yoki, and it has a taste of coffee. I mean, real coffee. So, this is really nice, and I recommend it. You can see it has the coffee sign here. It tastes really like coffee. It's really amazing.
Okay.
I never thought I would do this, but today I'm in Ouidah, Benin Republic, and I'm about to enter the legendary Temple of Pythons. Yes, real life pythons, worshipped and protected by the locals. Would you dare to hold on? Stay tuned to the end of this video. Ouidah is one of the most spiritual cities in West Africa, deeply rooted in voodoo traditions. And right here in the temple, pythons are not feared, they are honored. The local believes that snakes bring good luck and protection. But today, I'm not just here to learn, I'm going to hold on.
If you go to Les Routes, your guide inclut par exemple sur les routes, il paye et ça n'a pas de ça. Fromage. How much is
Everything?
everything?
No, this one now, how much?
Par exemple, you pay 4,000.
4,000.
Yes.
Per person?
No.
Two per person. Let's do by per person.
Okay.
Right? Then the snail,
It's not problem. Okay, you pay.
yeah.
In their tradition, the pythons are symbols of wisdom and protection. No one arms them, and they are free to roam the town at night before returning to the temple. But wait, so the snakes are just chilling in the streets at night? Wow, that's wild.
I want to get a souvenir for my wife. She asked me to get something for her. And this is 500 sefa. This is 2,000. And I saw one for 3,000. And some of this are up to 10,000 sefa. There's one for 5,000. So if you're coming to Temple de Piton, just make sure you have enough money. I'm bringing my wife again, so I just want to get something for her so she has it in her hand. Knowing that I came here, I didn't come to do something else. Okay, so I'm gonna get. I have a python on my neck right now. It just beats me too, but it's not. It has no venom. It's not dangerous. So no teeth, and it's the female also. So don't be scared when you come here. Okay, that's all I just have to tell you. Don't be scared.
Let's go.
Say you have no venom. So I'm holding you right now in the camera. Show your head now. Don't. Perfect. Thank you. Merci. There are 50 pythons here, some over there. You see the numbers there? And one is inside here. They were saying something about you can stay here and wish for something if you want to. Well, I'm a Christian, so I don't want to wish for anything.
Welcome to Casa de Papa, a Eden paradise in Benin. Let's check out this incredible spot. This place has everything: private bungalows, ocean views, and even freshest seafoods you would ever taste. Have you ever stayed at a place like this, or what's your dream beach destination? Drop a comment.
How much is your cocktail?
With alcohol.
No, I don't drink alcohol.
Cocktail with alcohol. 5,000. Without alcohol. 4,000.
Okay. How much is Yoki?
Yuki 1.5.
1.5.
Yes.
Okay.
Yuki 1.5.
That is what cola?
Is
Okay. Which one is this?
miss fruit.
Cocktail.
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 This is
Maple
grapefruit.
Grape.
Grapefruit.
Okay. All right.
Grapefruit juice.
Okay, juice. Grapefruit juice.
Yes.
And
You know grapefruit?
yes, I do. Grapefruit juice. Yes, I do. Okay, nice. Yes, please. Only African products for me. I'm not drinking cocktail. I am currently at Casa de Papa. It looks really amazing. On the other side, we're going to show you some videos. On the other side, they have hotels. All right, so we are not lodging. We just came to visit and live as explorers. And you can show them this side. It's an amazing view with a bamboo style of building, right, lifted up across. And on this side, you have the beach. We will walk down, but I wouldn't say the hype was much, because trust me, this is beautiful. This is amazingly beautiful. So it took us some hours to get here, but it's worth the time getting here. So if you're coming down to Benin Republic, do not forget to come to Casa de Papa. It's a little bit far. You're going to either use a car or a bike, and the roads, they're currently constructing the road, but it's really amazing, trust me. Very cool ambience. So if you look to my right, you see the hotels painted yellow. All the hotels are painted yellow. So we want to walk on the pavement and just take a walk down. This is really impressive. Alright, as you can see, this is really beautiful. Trees, long coconut tree by the side. It's giving me the Brazilian style of building. I don't know what's on the other side, but it looks like it's still part of this place. Bonjour. I love this. Even if the sun is scorching, we are covered by shade. Bonjour. So long. Hey, wifey, stay here. Stay here, babe. Okay, so I hope they don't get to see us here, but we're on one of the buildings here, and it's this is amazing. This is really, really amazing. This is one of the buildings here, and you can just chill outside and have a view of the beach over there if you don't want to go down there, and listen to the waves, man. This is amazing. Before they catch us, let's do exploring on budget. Life is meant to be enjoyed free. Free. That's exactly what Benin Republic with their what? That's it. Bye. All the holes here are filled with crabs. You can see this must really be a big one. This hole is really big. So there's a big crab living here, staying here. But the little ones, you can tell that they are little crabs. But there are a lot of crabs in this water. Man, this wave is amazing. I wish I could surf. Can someone please give me a surf? That person will want surf.
Bonjour.
leaving Casa de Papa. We're going to find our way back. All right, so this is the point of no return. That's what it's called here. This is where slavery happened. Okay, so from here, people leave and go to other countries. They are deported to other countries, or they come from.
The point of no return, a place where thousands of enslaved Africans took their final steps on their homeland before being forced across the ocean. Today, we're stepping into history.